And here is our fearless mastermind of a level editor creator right here. This young man has faced all the trials and tribulations of making a Blitz Plus level editor. And let's see it. Whoa! Holy shit. I mean, look at that. He looks to me like he's implemented some sort of AI and clicking system. I guess this is where he lays the tiles. I guess, whoa, what is that? I haven't even put in NPCs or enemies in the game, Marcel. What? Get to work, you little prick! Alrighty. We already had an intro done, but I'm recording another one because it was pretty bad. And with the first sentence that Marcel said, you could already tell this would be the worst dev video ever. And I didn't want you to figure that out till the end, but yeah, this probably will be the worst dev video ever. It's Chris, Marcel, and myself. And as you can see, I've now moved in. Well, no, I'm moving in. There's consoles everywhere. Everywhere. You can't step without stepping on like a Sega 32X or something. I just put that bookcase up. But we've had some issues, kind of not really. And we're hoping to do a lot of serious stuff this weekend. Like you can see, Chris already has a head start. Jesus. On his serious stuff. Marcel is, oh, no way! I think he just pulled that out because he saw us recording. What are you doing?
The new window that I made.
Oh, what are you planning to do this weekend?
Since we somewhat laid him off. What I was working on last weekend, I got all of the code written. I just didn't actually put it into the editor.
Whoa.
We fell asleep halfway through.
Okay.
So, I mean, I got to work out the bugs and finish it. And that's about it. It shouldn't take too long. Thing is, you never know. All the bugs and crap that you want to go get it.
Oh, yeah. You never know. Chris, what do you plan to do?
Oh, yeah, and also,
whoa.
Also, I'm going to make the map safe from binary.
Whoa!
I need the executable that I've been telling you to give me for who knows how long.
It's not an executable, it's a Perl script.
No, I need your
.pl, son.
No.
The compiled Perl script?
No, I need the game executable.
Oh, okay. Okay, my bad. Yeah, he'll get that. Chris, what are you planning to do?
I'm planning on trying to get the graphics for the outdoors of the demo level done tonight.
Yeah,
Tomorrow.
yeah.
It's not going to be easy, but, I mean, it has to get done.
Oh, yeah.
So.
We lost a few members. It's not Peter, don't worry. He's at home. I don't know. Yeah, just don't worry. Peter's in good hands, I think. Who knows what he's doing?
Don't forget, we also gained a member.
Oh, yeah, we have. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. As is customary, I'm probably going to end up asking him what he's going to be doing this weekend. Probably nothing, but
go ahead. What are you going to be doing this weekend?
You have it all scripted out now?
Not quite.
Well, our big thing was getting Lua in last weekend, which I'm pretty sure I finished. It compiled on Dreamcast and it worked on PC.
So, why are you pretty sure? Why aren't you positive if it works?
Our router's being screwed up, so I can't actually test the Dreamcast version. But I'm guessing it works, so Peter can come out of retirement, even though I'm not sure where he is or what he's doing right now. Obviously, he's not here. And then I'm also going to be working on rewriting a bunch of stuff for the engine that Marauder and I are working on.
Such as?
Random classes and stuff, like player class. This is pretty much going to be the most boring stuff you'll ever... No, the most boring stuff you've ever seen me do. Yeah, you're not going to be interested. You're not going to have fun. This is going to be the worst video ever.
So in other words, this is like any non-recorded dev session.
Yeah.
Alright, nice. Alright,
Alrighty, let's see what our graphic artist team is doing in here. Hey, team.
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing. I was working on one of the graphics for the forest tile set, and originally it was just like a treetop. If you watch what I do right here, you'll see that normally kind of harsh, kind of too much of a contrast between the two. but if you take the fill down, take the opacity down, then you add all these other layers. Kind of a smooth, gradual.
Yeah, smooth transition going on there.
Yeah. Just little tweaks that we're doing to the graphics to make it look just perfect.
Yeah. So what are we going to do about all the graphics we're going to be needing?
Well, at the moment, I'll be doing everything, but we'll see how long that lasts. Honestly, we lost a couple members. It wasn't that big of a deal. They didn't contribute much, but
we're actually crying. We're heartbroken.
Yeah, I'm tearing up.
Chris and I, we both cried together, man.
It was deep.
Cried on each other's shoulders over that one.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the art, it reflects our sorrow.
From laughing. But, yeah, we're still getting things done. Hopefully, I still shoot to have a demo plan by the graphics at least by the end of April. And especially now that we're living together, a lot more motivation.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah. All right. So Marcel's doing some interesting stuff. Elaborate.
So apparently I ended up deleting about 6 hours of work. Everything I did last weekend, it's gone. At this moment I'm trying to run a recovery program to get it back. I don't know if it's going to work. Honestly, the chances of it working are next to nothing, seeing as my hard drive is almost completely filled and it's been overwritten so many times. I may or may not get it back. Either way, it's a major setback. This weekend I'm going to get next to nothing done.
Yeah. That's just stuff that happens. I mean, sometimes you do lose work and you do have to rewrite it. I wanted people to see this because sometimes they get the impression that all we do is screw around and it's all fun and games. Have a look at this. Okay. This is what I've done the last 2 weeks. None of this is fun. Get repositories up and running. That's like the system of us syncing our work pretty much. How is that fun? Lua multi-platform implementation. That is me compiling a library for Dreamcast and making sure that it all works and it's the same as the PC. That's not fun. If and def guards around the Dreamcast stuff so that we can put the Dreamcast and PC things in the same project without getting errors. That's not fun at all either. Getting everything to work on PC and Dreamcast. How is that fun? Do you think that sounds like fun?
No.
I've had such a boring last few weeks. Look at this. Rewrite player movement animation. Rewrite. Does that sound like fun to you?
No. But you have to do it all the time.
Half the time I'm rewriting stuff.
I'm probably
Over
going to
half
be
the
rewriting
time.
6 hours of stuff.
Oh yeah,
tonight.
yeah.
I'm not sleeping until it's done.
I'm not sleeping either.
Do you know what kind of motivation it takes to sit there, realize that you lost a whole 6 hours, a whole dev video's worth of work, and just sigh and say, okay, I have to redo it?
Yeah, I understand. It's gonna suck. Now look at this. Begin party system implementation. That is the only new thing on this board that may actually be slightly entertaining. That's the only new thing that I'll be adding to the game. And notice it's at the very bottom of the list, and it's not checked off yet. I will hopefully get around to it tonight. I mean, I'm not recording this to be emo, but sometimes you gotta keep it real. I don't want to give you guys the wrong impression that we just screw around, because it's really not how it's not how it works. This is really hard work for all of us.
Right now there's 232,980 possible files, and I'm 11% done. The chances of it finding the one I deleted, pretty slim.
Well, get back to work.